Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to this unboxing video. Yes, as you have seen in the title, and I think on YouTube you will see many unboxing videos. Now this is my try on this because as you have seen in the title, it's the Marvin Gaye 50th anniversary What's Going On release. The funny thing about this, I ordered this record right away. Like when it was announced, I ordered it directly from Universal. I got it just like now, and a friend of mine who ordered way later got it like 3 weeks earlier than I did, and we live in the same city. But finally it's here and I'm very happy about it. Yesterday I was visiting the same friend and he has the MoFi one-step 45 RPM version. He has the MoFi original version, he has also the original release, and he bought this one as well. Always depending on your taste and all of that, I must say that the 45 RPM version is kind of for me destroying the flow of this whole album, because you have to switch again after a few tracks and all of this, and with a concept album which was intended from the artist in a certain direction, it gets difficult. Sound-wise, I must say that this release is great. Kevin Gray did an outstanding job. On the downside, what we both, my friend and me, didn't understand was that they didn't choose better vinyl and a different pressing plant on this one, because he had to exchange his record a few times, because on the last track of side A, in the last 15 to 10 seconds he had, it was noisy. So he had to change that a few times, but otherwise, let's open it up. I can hardly wait. And as you can hear, I'm still suffering from not being on top, my voice and all of this. So I have my tiki cup up here with me in case I need to drink something. It's a beauty. It's been very well packed, and I got a notification from shipping on January the 28th, and we now have April the 23rd. It arrived this morning, so this one might have been on a long journey. I don't know why, but okay. On the record my friend got was a hyper sticker. No hyper sticker. So as we know, it's an all analog product and all of this, and this is the back side with the sticker saying made in JZ, GC, GR, CR, made in CR. So let's see. I'm kind of confused that I don't have a hyper sticker. I wanted a hyper sticker. I'm not having a hyper stick. No damage on no damage on the cover or anything. And I've seen one person on YouTube who got his release from Amazon, and they missed the main album in it. It was fully packaged and everything, but the first record was missing. This is quite heavy, so I don't think that this will happen. So here's the front cover, and it's a heavy cardboard cover. The back cover, as you've seen it, without a shrink. And the importance of that album, I think it's on the Rolling Stone list. I think now at top 1. So okay, that's cool. So this is the inside, and you can switch over here and have this. This is the back side. Marvin playing basketball. I think he once wanted to join a basketball team. And the family album, that's pretty cool. So let's see. if you have, well, that's difficult to get out. Oh Lord. Oh. Well, that's difficult to get out. Okay, let's get the other one out. Why is this so difficult to get out? There's also something inside. Oh, okay. Now I'm confused. Were there different versions? No, there weren't different versions. Oh, Lord. I really have to get that thing out. So what's inside here? I haven't seen that yesterday with my friends. You get some. I haven't seen that version. Jim Hendon picture, Motown Records release 2021. That's nice. That's really nice. It's a nice addition to it. But I think it would have been cool if they had found some pictures from studios or put some note sheets or some other stuff in that. But it's been very nice done. Very nice. Maybe yesterday I shouldn't have drank less gin and took more care of the cover. But anyway, it's been very well done. Okay. Let's look at the records. The records are inside here. Why not using a poly inner sleeve? Because I can't tear this apart, you know, that's... why saving, I don't know, 50 cents on better sleeves? Well, there's just kind of, everything is good, there are no scratches on it, just some dirt from production or the pressing plant on it, but no major scratches or anything on this. I mean, this is seriously a great picture. Also, this one is in absolutely good, almost in absolutely good condition. The friend said he had also problems, it was really tough getting these out, and I think people were having problems getting these in as well, and I would say these sleeves, let's call them sleeves, they were pretty much bent on each side. So maybe it's a surface on this because it's a very soft surface. There's dirt on the record, and you know there's dirt on the record, and you try to put it out, and you know you might make minor scratches on the record. I'm not getting it. I'm really not. This makes me so angry that what is the problem on spending 5 to 10 pence or cents on a record more that you get these polylined? Seriously, what's the problem with that? I'm willing to pay the 10 cents more on this just to get no scratches on my record. But this one's also, there are no scratches on it, no defects I can see. So I will put this on my record cleaning machine on this record cleaning machine and have a listen to it. But once again, yesterday's sound was phenomenal. Kevin Gray did an outstanding job on this, and get it as soon as you can, but I think they will be available for some time, and you don't need to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars for the MoFi versions. to have a great sounding Marvin Gaye version, and this package is absolutely great. And well, yes, as you can see, I'm still not top of my game so far, but I absolutely wanted to show you this record. Price-wise, it was absolutely okay. I think for me personally, it feels like I ordered a year ago or something, but price-wise, it wasn't something I wasn't shocked about. You get a great master version, heavy cardboard, and all of this. So yeah, tell me your opinion about the record, and once again, all the best to you guys. Have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and listen to good music. All the best to you. Bye.